It will cost Hamilton County taxpayers nearly $500,000 for the Tracie Hunter case. That trial wrapped up yesterday with a guilty verdict on one count. But the jury was deadlocked on 8 others. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsh covered the trial and joins us now with more on the price tag. Jeff.
Well, in a normal criminal case, you cannot really come up with a price tag because the county prosecutor's office handles the case and the attorneys on the staff get a salary, whatever case they're working on. That's in a normal case. But the Tracie Hunter case was anything but normal.
For the record, there is a judgment of guilty on count 6, which is a felony of the 4th degree.
The criminal investigation of Tracie Hunter began in September 2013 with the appointment of 2 special prosecutors, Scott Croswell and Merlyn Shiverdecker. Hunter was indicted by a grand jury in January and convicted yesterday.
She wasn't happy with just being a judge. She wanted to run the whole show. Nobody was going to tell her what to do.
Special prosecutors were named because Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Deters had a conflict of interest with Judge Hunter. Deters' office once represented Hunter in civil cases, and you can't prosecute somebody you once defended. Plus, Hunter had filed a Supreme Court grievance against Deters, adding more conflict fuel to the fire. But a year-long court case does not come cheaply. Croswell and Shiverdecker are 2 of the area's top lawyers. There were tons of research hours, paperwork, and other related expenses. Total estimated cost, $450,000 for a saga which is still not quite finished.
We're going to pick a date for sentencing.
That sentencing is set for December 2nd. Now, besides the cost of prosecution, there's another expense here. Tracie Hunter has been off the bench since she was indicted in January. 2 visiting judges are handling her cases. Judge Sylvia Hendon is already an appeals court judge, so there's no extra cost for her. But retired Judge Tom Lips is the other VJ, as visiting judges are called. Pay rate for visiting judges is up to $485 a day, paid mostly by the Ohio Supreme Court with some local dollars. We have a request in for the total amount. It's not necessarily like they work every day. But it has been 9 months, so it's potentially a lot of money, and it's going to keep adding up until a permanent replacement for Hunter is named. Back to you.
And Judge Hunter has been suspended with pay about $10,000 a month since she was indicted in January. Suspension with pay is Ohio court policy to make sure a defendant gets due process and is not penalized without being found guilty. Now that Hunter has been convicted, though, her paychecks will stop.